Welcome back to the Star channel and to another episode of Star Sweets. And today's episode will be making vanilla cupcakes. So if you're interested, keep watching.
The flavors can't be beat, and when the scent of cake and cookies fills the air, you know you're in a place that truly cares. On the Star channel, we'll sing our hearts out loud, we'll share tales of wonder and make you feel proud. With every craft we try, a masterpiece will appear. So join us on this journey and let your dreams steer. Let your dreams steer.
Gonna start by sifting in our flour. And the baking powder. All the full measurements for the ingredients won't be included in the description box, so please make sure to check it down below. Add in some salt and mixing everything up. In a different bowl, we'll start to mix the whey ingredients. So I have some butter, I'm adding some sugar and some oil, and just gonna cream those ingredients together. Now to a wooden stick to get a better mix on it before returning back to the whisk. Adding eggs one at a time. This is a good time to subscribe if you haven't already. So if you haven't subscribed, show your girl some love and hit that subscribe button below. Please and thank you. Add in some vanilla extract and whisking that in as well. So we're gonna start alternating between the dry ingredients and the buttermilk. So you start with the dry ingredients and you end with the dry ingredients. So I'm adding some of the dry ingredients now. Add in half of the buttermilk. And remember, full measurements for all the ingredients will be in the description below. Switching back to a wooden spoon and making sure I'm scraping the bottom of that bowl and making sure that all the ingredients are mixed well and don't overmix. Now that our batter is done, it's time to line the pans and bake our cupcakes. I'm adding rice to the bottom of the pan so that our cupcakes do not get oily. That's a trick I learned online, I'm sure. And if you've seen that trick, so that is what I'm doing to avoid oily bottoms. I'm filling the cupcake liners just over halfway, so almost to the top, but not nearly to the top. Baking these cupcakes at 350 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes, and I'll see you when they're done. Cupcakes are done. Now placing them onto a tray, and you can see not oily bottoms. This recipe creates just over 12 cupcakes, so expect at least 14 cupcakes out of this recipe. Cutting into the cupcake now, and as you can see, it is moist and soft. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Star signing off.